And the game just started. Okay, so flipping $2.8. Okay, account, small account. This is for tiny accounts. Okay, so here we are rolling. Just got in up here. Okay, this is the 4 hours time frame. Got in up here, so we are heading all the way to hit TP right here. That is like 50 pips. So let's see how this goes in the next couple minutes probably. Okay, yeah, so that's it. This is a small tiny account that I forgot. I just found some cash on this particular account. Just wanted to play around with it to motivate you, to show you that you can do it. It's not that hard. Okay, I was expecting the market to push all the way up here, okay, around this place. Okay, so boom boom boom, pull to here and then drop all the way low. Okay, but then I realized that the market is not likely to push to those levels. Okay, so I dropped to 15 minutes to get a nice entry, and there we are. I got in at around this place and we are rolling. This is a tiny account, just to motivate you, and then boom boom boom, we roll and we see how this goes. Okay, I hope you learned something from the entire flip. Okay, yeah, so see you later. Bye bye.